Hey, welcome to another episode of, I don't know, my vlog. Today, taking a trip down to the hardware shop to pick up some concrete, which I headed off on in short order. Down across the new bike corridor area in Ballard, through Old Town, under the 15th Street Bridge, and then into Stoneway Hardware. Love this place. I don't have to go to Home Depot. There's the little location where it's at, if you're curious. And there's one place I always lock up, and damn it, that's it. But fortunately, they were coming out at that moment, so I got to lock up there. Anyway, I bought 80 pounds of Quickcrete. Not just concrete, but Quickcrete. Threw it on the back trailer, and off I went, heading back home to get all this shit put together. All right, so I've gone to the store, the hardware shop, whatever. Picked up Quickcrete, concrete, whatever that brand name shit is. Cement, concrete, Quickcrete, whatever. You know it by that really hard crap that they build sidewalks out of. So I got 80 pounds of that stuff, or 36.2 kilograms. And I'm about to install some bicycle U-racks or staple racks. So there's my Quickcrete stuff, commercial grade Quickcrete. I'm sure there's an ad waiting to happen with that somewhere. So now you get an idea of what that is if you want to do this yourself. And just for some scope, this is my bike box, ta-da. So basically lift it up. It's spring loaded, so it's easy to lift up. And this was the bottom that was in it. So this bottom usually goes in this particular bike box, and then it goes in the base, and then you bolt it onto concrete. But for various reasons, I don't want to bolt this bike's box onto the ground. So if I open it up, I have dirt. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that staple rack into this dirt with concrete. Okay, so this is the rack. Came in these boxes. Here's one. One rusted. Instructions. Haha! Instructions. Instructions. Like a bolt. I'm going Allen wrench here. So it comes apart like this. See, an Allen wrench on this side. It comes with an Allen wrench. And then apart like that. Boom. Okay. The concrete will go down. These things don't need to sit specifically, they just need to hold it up. About 2 quarts to 15 pounds. So I'm gonna need about 2 quarts. So you might be able to see that. 2 quarts. 2 quarts, maybe? I don't know, anyway, 2 quarts. So I'm just using a little bit of concrete, not too much, to act as an anchor for the actual rack. Make sure you wear gloves. This stuff is caustic and will burn your skin. I can't emphasize that enough. It will burn your skin. So once you get this mixed up pretty good, you're kind of set. Nice creamy looking concrete. So you take that, dump it in the hole, and it goes over those little pins at the bottom of the rack. You can see that the ends are covered up, the little spiky bits, so those act as anchors to keep this in the ground. So now, this is a relatively cheap one, and being that I'm gonna cover it up mostly with dirt, we're talking about maybe like a 2 to 5 year good lifespan if it rains. But since this is in a case, I'm not super worried about ground wetness actually rusting this out for years. So, and by then, I hope to actually have a different setup anyway. But for now, this I'm gonna let set, and then we'll fill it in with dirt, put bikes in here in no time flat. So here we go, bike rack is in the concrete, has it anchored, and I just filled it in with dirt, locked the bike with a U-lock to the rack, and now it is secure inside of the box.